Hello, beautiful people. This is me. I'm your host, and today we're gonna be talking about serums which I use for the last few months. So please subscribe and carry on. In this container, I have serums which I used for a little bit. If you watch my videos, I'm sure you are familiar with some of them, but let me go over them, tell you what I think about them, and if I'm gonna repurchase or not, or if I already did. So let me start with Vichy Vitamin C Serum. This one is 10 ml, which is 0.3 ounces. It comes in a bottle like this. So when you get the product, you have the bottle and the pipette separate, and when you're ready to use, you're gonna assemble them together. The thing which I like about this product, it has both vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So besides vitamin C properties, you're also getting the hydration. The minus, it comes in a small size, but it's perfect for travel, and a lot of the times you can buy it on sale or get some kind of a deal. So yes, I do like it. I believe I have like 2 more bottles left, and I will repurchase, but not at the moment because I have another, I should say I have few more vitamin C serums to go through. But yes, I do enjoy the product, and for sure I'm gonna repurchase in the future. And the consistency of it is like a yellowish water. I thought maybe I can see a picture on here, but no, it's not. But since we keep it up, well, let's stay with the vitamin C serums. This one is from DERMA-E. That's the vitamin C concentrated serum with hyaluronic acid as well. And I'd say like this one, what's 10 ml, this is 60. The difference, besides being bigger, they both have stable vitamin C, and this one smells, let's say, like a ginger. So at the beginning I wasn't really into it, but after a while I did enjoy the smell. And besides vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, I believe it has, soothing aloe vera and vitamin E. And because it's DERMA-E, it's really affordable, and the bottle it's quite big. So if I were a purchase, yes. But similarly as with the Vichy, not at the moment, but let's say in case if you want to try something and you're not sure about which one to go for, I would say go with the DERMA-E because of the excuse me, because of the aloe inside. It's gonna be more gentle on your skin. Okay, so that's the vitamin C serum. Do I have anything else left? Oh yes, I have a small sample of the Sweet Chef Ginger Vitamin C Serum Shot. Brightens dark spots, uneven stone. This was one of the, I believe, Target sets. I use it, but I will not repurchase because nowhere on the actual package says how much of vitamin C is there. And you know what, I wasn't really into it. I think it was the consistency which I didn't like it. And okay, let me just show you closer the other 2 bottles. And what else we got? Oh, Skin Ceuticals C Ferulic. This is one of the high-pop products because it has vitamin C and ferulic acid, which work perfect together. Unfortunately, the full size it's around $200. So yes, it's a little bit of spendy, but if I have to spend so much money on the Skin Ceuticals, I'd rather buy something from the other brand which have the same ingredients, and possibly I'm gonna have maybe like 4 or 5 bottles. So let's say instead of having one bottle which cost me $200, I'd rather have like 5, which is gonna last me longer, and in a longer time period I'm gonna achieve the same results. Okay, so no, I will not repurchase this one. And then what we got? Oh, let's move to the Korean skincare. I have here the Super Aqua Cell Renewal Snail Ampoule, which restores the damaged skin barrier and delivers hydration and balance. So that's the new item from the Snail line. It comes in a bottle like this with a little pipette. It looks really elegant, Comes with a pipette. I don't know if you can see, there is a little bit of the serum left inside. What the thing which I enjoy about this product, besides giving that extra hydration, if your skin is really dry, this is one of those things which is gonna help your skin barrier and also prepare it for the next step. If our repurchase, yes, okay, contains Snail secretion to strengthen the skin's barrier, enhances skin's ability to retain moisture and provides radiance. EGF complex ingredient suits irritated skin and creates healthy. I'm like, I did like it. I know I went through it so fast because I enjoy it, so I use it day and night. So yes, for sure I'm gonna repurchase. What else we got? Oh, I have a small sample of the Bee Pollen Renew Ampoule from the same brand, and that was the a little bit bigger size. I have my dog's hair on it. So similarly as with the Snail, they both are perfect for hydration. However, not everyone it's okay with the Snail slime. So in case if you don't want to use the slime, you can just go for the Bee Pollen. And Bee Pollen by itself has many good benefits as well. And I know there is a little bit of left, but you can really see it. No. Here we go. And I drop it. So yes, for sure I'm gonna repurchase those two items. From Korea, we're gonna move to Japan. That's the HADA LABO. It's their anti-aging hydrator with hyaluronic acid, collagen and retinol complex. Comes in a package like this one with a little dispenser. Unfortunately, not really unfortunately, I like it so much that I did finish. And this one has 50 ml, which is a lot because, well, let me do a little backtrack. HADA LABO, they're known for their hyaluronic acid product, meaning hydrating items. Their Hydrator line has 4 different types of hyaluronic acid. And most of the time, if you see hyaluronic acid, it's, let's say it's either half ounce or 1 ounce, which is either 15 or 30 ml. This one, it's double, which is 50 ml. So yes, it's gonna last you for a long time. It has a consistency of like a white jelly. And yes, I did like it and already repurchased a couple bottles of it. But it comes with hyaluronic acid, collagen, retinol complex. It says retinol, but if you look at the inky list, retinol is somewhere at the end. But in general, if you're looking for affordable hydrating product with hyaluronic acid, HADA LABO line is perfect. And talking about hydrators, oh no, here we go. We're gonna move on to Canada. That's the Indeed Collagen Booster. It says collagen, so I'm like a little bit skeptical because you cannot really put collagen into your skin unless, no, you cannot do it because your body produces it. And the older we get, the less collagen we have. Yes, you can take the supplements, but if you apply it topically, you're not gonna really see too much difference. But the thing which I did enjoy about it, this one has a peptides, or say the matrixyl complex, which is a new version of peptides. So yes, I did enjoy the product and I use this one alongside with my retinol because retinol goes perfect with peptides. Retinol is proven to reverse the sign of aging, so it's gonna thin out your skin. But in order for your skin to keep working harder, you need the peptides. The peptides gonna tell your skin to produce more cells, and they just combine itself and they work perfect. And yes, Indeed Lab, it's affordable and already I did repurchase. Yep. Oh, the items which I forgot about from MISSHA, I have 2 more of their Time Revolution Night Repair Ampoule. So let's say comes in a package like this. That's the, come on, focus you. Maybe not. Maybe not. Either way, this is like your night repair serum which you put at night before you apply your moisturizer. Many people, they compare this to the Advanced Night Repair from Estee Lauder, and for a good reason. Why it's a dupe? Because it's at least like half of the price and majority of the ingredients are the same. Unfortunately, they changed the formula, so I know they add something extra. But if you get a chance to buy the old package, you know what, just go for it. And since I mentioned Advanced Nail Repair, so that's the one from Estee Lauder, I have the, what was it? Yeah, that's the 1 ounce, and I also have 2 of the smaller samples. I use this product for many years, and yes, I do enjoy it. Comes with a little pipette as well. Oh look, there is some left. It has a nice light consistency, so similarly as with the one from MISSHA, you're gonna apply them before your actual moisturizer. What it does, it repairs your skin while you sleep. Besides having hyaluronic acid, it also has yeast extract and many other ingredients, and yes, I do enjoy it because it repairs your skin while you sleep, and yes, I already have a few backups of it. Next product is the hyaluronic acid serum. In case if you couldn't see it, I'm gonna post pictures on the screen and the list in the description box. That's the hyaluronic acid boosting serum. I thought it's hyaluronic acid, but when I opened it, the consistency of it was like a white, clear, not clear, like a milky consistency. Then you know it's not really hyaluronic acid, because the pure hyaluronic acid, it's clear. This one was a milky. So when I read the description, it was, besides having hyaluronic acid, it has glycerin, yeast extract, and few other things. And it smells like, menthol cream. No, I will not repurchase. Why? Okay, if you're saying hyaluronic acid, then give me hyaluronic acid. There's a bunch of other ingredients and there can be allergic to some people. Now, if you don't know where to start or you don't want to have too many steps, yes, you can give a try to this one. But you know what? But if you want to only have a hydrator, you can easily go for the HADA LABO, because you're getting a lot for cheap. And the PCA skin, it's not a drugstore price. Here we go. Okay, I have 2 more items left. I have 2 items left. One of them is the Paula's Choice Niacinamide. So I have 2 bottles of it. Technically it's vitamin B, so it's vitamin B3 and B5. If you have issues with your pores, this is gonna shrink them a little bit and also improve the texture of your skin. So similarly as with the other items, it comes with a pipette. Here we go. I do enjoy it. I went through many bottles of it. Now she came up with a 20%, but that one I will say it's more for oily skin, because it's gonna help with oil production. Because my skin is dry, I'm gonna stick with the 10%. The last item, it's from brand Ziaja. That's the goat milk serum, which you can use for face and neck. This one has a light milky consistency. If you want, you can even use it as a moisturizer because of the hydrating properties. I did like it, especially if I overdose my retinols, because my skin was so dry. It lasts me for a long time because it's 50 ml. So similarly as with this, it's 1.7 ounce. And I don't know if you see the pattern, majority of the products coming in a small sizes, so you gonna run out of them faster. If I will repurchase, yes, I already have maybe like 1 or 2 bottles on the backup. Okay, so that was the overview of these serums which I recently used. Hopefully it was useful for you and you gain some information. If you have serums which are worth trying, let me know in the description box, so maybe I can try them as well. Till the next time, bye!